Hey everyone, welcome to our channel High Tech Gallery. Today I will show you how to remove unwanted junk files and previous Windows Update files from your C drive and increase your PC performance. So let's start. Now, I open my computer, then I will go to the properties of C drive. By right-clicking on the C drive, one pop-up window will be open, as you can see, in my case. Now I click on their disk cleanup option. Another pop-up window will be open, after clicking on it. Now, I select the temporary files to be deleted, by check the left side blank box. In my case I will leave the download folder. If you want to delete your download file also, then you are free to check the box. Perfect. Now, I will click on OK button. Now, you have to confirm to delete the junk files permanently from your computer, so I choose Yes button to delete it. Now it takes few seconds. Perfect. Again, I have to click Disk Cleanup option to clean their Windows updates. Same pop-up window will be open. Now, we have to choose Cleanup System File to delete the Windows updates. Please wait for the next process. Now, you can see the Windows Update Cleanup option. Check the box. And hit their OK button, then confirm to delete it. Perfect. Now, it will take some time, depending upon your computer configuration. Please wait for the process. If you like our videos, then please like, share and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. All done. Now, you can see the free disk space in my C drive. Thanks for watching the video.